You bought the car?
Hi.
Oh.
How are you?
Fine,
Welcome.
fine. Okay, very good. Oh, nice car. Hyundai. Oh?
So,
You bought the Korea car?
yes, because
Yes.
you are my friend.
와우. 이게 미들 클래스 촬영하는 클래스. 좀 상층으로 가면 크레타. 네, 크레타 정도 타줘야 된다고. 네, 크레타라는 차고. 이게 좀 상류층 좀 돼야 산대요.
When I living here in 1 year, really I like so much. I didn't go there,
오케이.
Delhi. So I love, so I live here.
And your family also like.
My family also like.
야, 뭐야? 아파트가 이렇게 많이 생겼어. 카페, 알마, 베이커리. 참 이제 아이러니한 게 이 친구가 만약 계속 저랑 같이 일했으면 옛날에 맨날 오토바이 타고 다니면서 제품 고치고 이랬었거든요. 근데 어떻게 보면 망했기 때문에 이 친구가 사업을 해서 지금 5명, 5 employee, 5명을 거느린 이제 사장님이 됐어요. 그래서
Total
집도
total 12. Total 12.
12?
Yeah.
오, 12명이래요. 그래가지고 지금 땅도 최근에 샀다고. 이게 또 어떻게 보면 전화위복이 된 거죠. 서영신 회장도 그랬잖아요. 자기가 잘렸기 때문에 사업을 시작해 돼가지고 대박이 난 거잖아요. 그런 계기가 좀 필요한 것 같긴 합니다. 운이 참 그런 거 보면 중요한 것 같아요. 운이. 섹터 82. 와, 섹터 82?
Yeah.
와. 로얄 엔필드. 로얄 엔필드죠? 야. 아, 지금 방금 지나갔네. 오, 베리 나이스. 아, 이 친구 아파트에 지금 살고 있어요. 우리나라 주공 아파트랑 좀 비슷한 느낌이에요. 마인더에 성공해가지고 기특합니다, 우리 마인더. 처음으로 방문합니다.
How? Hi.
Hi. Hi. Hello. Nice to meet you and thank you for welcoming me. Thank you.
You sit here. Sir.
Okay, thank you.
He's my friend.
Oh, your friend. Hi. What's your name? What's your name?
Krishna.
Christina. Oh, you're using LG refrigerator.
Because of you.
Ooh.
TV also.
Oh, TV also LG. Wow. Same as me. Thank you. Thank you. 감사합니다. Are you shy?
미소?
첫째 딸이랍니다. 첫째 딸인데 샤이해서 못 오겠대. 땡큐. 감사합니다.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Sorry na.
안녕하세요. So cute.
इधर आ क्या है
용돈 줘야지 용돈.
बैठो बेटा डालो
In Korean culture, if I see the younger children, we usually give money. So I will give money. Okay? Ila, what's your name?
My name is Disha.
Nisha?
दिशा
It was nice to meet you. No,
No.
it's uncle.
you
Uncle.
you 100
I know.
Too much money for me.
No have a change. Okay? Hey, buy something.
ले लो चल ले
I
लो
made this for you.
Oh, really? You made it?
Korean
Wow.
food
Korean food? Tteokbokki?
हाँ
Wow.
क्या नाम है इसका
Potato noodles.
Thank you.
DC
Thank you. He's so cute.
he is She saying क्या अभी सुई है?
떡볶이.
Korean potato.
Korean potato noodle.
Okay. Can I try? 와.
First time he met.
무슨 맛인지 잘 모르겠어요. First time met.
Yeah, for you. First time.
Oh, very nice.
Uncle ने भी दे भाई.
Can I give you?
So once enough, no?
No. It's a Korean culture.
He will take.
It's a Korean culture.
Half, he will take. Please. Come in.
No.
टेस्ट करके देखो
चम्मच ला भाई. कैसे ले लूँ?
빠뻘입니다. 빠뻘.
She love me. She love me. Love.
She doesn't know anything. She's young.
When I tired, she came with me and all take the oils on my eye.
Massage.
Yeah, like it. But she need money. After some time, saying give me money. I need 20 rupees, 50 rupees.
So lovely. So sweet.
करके दिखा एक डांस. दिखा. वीडियो बनेगी तेरी. डांस लगा के दिखा. चल टीवी में लगा दे. चला के दिखा. टीवी में लगा डांस करके दिखा. She going in dance class.
Oh.
Yeah.
Wow, she like to dance.
Yeah. She's going every day in dance class.
밤 8시 51분인데 우유가 오네 우유가. 오. 댄스한다. 와 잘했네. So lovely food. 고맙다.
Korean people like spicy food.
Yes, we love. Ooh, thank you, Mahinder. So lovely.
चटनी हाँ मैं ला दूँ
ले जाओ बस वहीं रखो
आप लोग भी बैठो ना खाने के लिए।
अंकल सारे बैठेंगे तो बनाएगा कौन
अच्छा अच्छा बनाना पड़ेगा।
Oh, thank you.
हाँ बना
मैं वहाँ फोटो वीडियो खींच रहा हूँ।
The salt?
या दिस इज सॉल्ट दिस इज लेमन जस्ट वेट फर्स्ट ईट दिस
Oh, desserts.
है ना अभी अंकल वो बटर मिल्क है
Thank you so much. धन्यवाद.
फ्रूट रायता है अंकल क्या बोलते हैं इसको
Looks lassi.
लस्सी लाइक लस्सी
Like-
फ्रूट्स इन लस्सी
Oh, fruit in lassi.
So
माजी तो पूछ ले खाएगी तो आजा
So nice.
आजा ऑल वेज इन दिस if you want salt राइस लाए और ना पेड़ ढक दो ओए ठीक है पेड़ ढक दो
Sweet.
सब क्या है
Cham cham.
so we will start the business Korea
Korea Indian restaurant.
similar.
just you eat if you like so you
अभी ठंडी थी ना ऐसा
ठीक है
뭔 맛인지는 알 것 같아. 되게 달 것 같아.
वो पहले की दिखाई
진짜 알몬드, nuts.
वो ठंडी थी
Normally, if anybody comes,
Okay.
suppose if I am alone, I don't take all these things.
Okay.
Only roti,
Only roti.
something like that. If anybody comes to visit our place, then we will serve all
Oh.
as per culture, systematically. This is, yeah. So you had water, you had food, you had sweet, you had sour, you had everything. That is respect for guests.
Oh my god.
अंकल सुरेंद्र की लड़की की तरह लगती है छोटी वाली की शी इज माय डॉटर
Oh, really? Very cute. So cute. Oh! Ah!
हीरो
Wow, Mahindo, you were handsome. Whoa. Yeah, you are production now, I believe. Wow.
दिस इज माय
Yeah,
बिग डॉटर
Mahindo. Big
या व्हेन आई कम इन सनस्कार
Why two?
नो वन जस्ट
Copy? Is it it was a trend? Oh. Guys, so big. Now have a belly. 2 years ago. 아, 이런 것도 만들어 주는구나. 2 years ago, 3 years ago. 그러니까 이렇게.
Now you sitting so I'm very happy. You going so angry on me.
Huh?
My wife.
Why angry on you? Why you brought the
You not seen home properly. You didn't see this. You didn't see this. You not like these things. You didn't go with me market. I buy something. You didn't take vegetable. You didn't take rice.
아차차 Same all over the world same
अरे कहाँ भैया
बंद कर देते हैं।
नमस्ते बेटा कहाँ है तेरे पापा Just check. Where is?
He's hookah man every
Yeah,
day.
hookah man.
ये छोड़ने के
We should
बाद
take a picture together.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. Thank you, Mahinda. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.